Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is an exciting one because I'm adding two new pieces to my gear setup. The iPhone 16 Pro and a gimbal to match. Let's dive right into it. First things first, let's get a look at the box itself. This is the iPhone 16 Pro and I went for the titanium black, which I love. Now, the reason why I went also for the 256 is I needed a much bigger capacity for everything that I will be doing. Now, there's something about opening a new iPhone. That nostalgia, that first feel. Here we go. Wow, look at that finish. It's just as sleek as you'd expect. And the first feel in your hand is premium, no doubt. Now let's see what else is in here. Apple always keeps it simple, but let's go through the essentials. Here's the charger and the classic SIM ejector pin. Still a must-have for swapping out your SIM. And then we've got the usual paperwork, which includes some quick start info, and of course Apple's iconic stickers didn't come with this. Not too much fluff, they keep it clean though. Alright, let's power this beauty up and get it set up. That moment when the Apple logo first appears is always exciting, right? Let's get this set up and see what it can do. Just a quick setup, connecting it to Wi-Fi, setting up Face ID. There we go, ready to go. Now, before I start using this out and about, I've got a transparent cover here to keep it safe from scratches. I mean, with a phone this nice, you got to keep it protected, right? Yeah, it's very important. Perfect. This case doesn't take away from the iPhone's sleek look, but gives it that extra layer of protection. Now, let's test one of the best parts, the camera. Apple really upped their game with the camera on this model. So let's take a few quick shots. Look at that clarity. The detail is insane and the colors are so vibrant. This is going to be perfect for capturing high quality shots wherever I go. And I will be bringing you live videos, like I'll be going live on TikTok, Facebook and YouTube, so expect nothing but the best videos or quality videos. Alright, now on to the second item in today's unboxing, the gimbal. I'll be using this to make sure all my videos are steady and cinematic, no matter where I'm shooting. Here it is. Looks really well built, and you can tell it's designed to handle a phone like the iPhone 16 Pro easily. It even comes with a stand, super useful for setting it up wherever you want. And there's a manual here which I will be going through later to make sure I get the most out of this. Alright, that's it for today's unboxing of the iPhone 16 Pro and this awesome gimbal. If you are as excited as I am to see these two in action, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because I'll be doing a full video soon on how to use this gimbal with the iPhone for perfect shots. Thanks for watching everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment if you have any questions. Catch you in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.